back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare non-phone work from home job lead for you. I know I gained a lot of subscribers from my old past healthcare videos, so I know that's what a lot of you are looking for. But here lately, I feel like I haven't been including as many healthcare work from home job leads, so I'm trying today to throw quite a few at you. But quickly, do me a favor. Please let me know down below in the comments if you're only interested in non-phone healthcare or if you are also interested in healthcare that might require you to be on the phone. Healthcare is a huge range that includes billing and different things like that, coding, all kinds of things, customer service. Let me know what part of healthcare you are interested in the comments. And of course, the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead, though, is from Ciox Health, also known as Datavant. They have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a remote QA agent. Now, this is remote for the United States only. They do have 3 open positions, so they're hiring 3 different QA agents. QA is for quality assurance, so this is basically going to be non-phone reviewing medical records. The responsibility of the QA agent is to ensure the medical records viewed contain the correct patient information and any requested medical information pertaining to the medical chart from the clients. So your responsibilities will be ensuring that the employee follows their schedules properly as assigned. You'll meet and exceed the required goals for efficiency, accuracy, and speed. You'll be reviewing each page of the chart or medical records, progress notes from the doctors to make sure that the records retrieved are for the correct member or patient and meets the predetermined requirements. You'll ensure the confidentiality of all data collected, and you may be required sometimes to work charts that have been rejected with errors of missing medical information is detected. Now, best part about this position is that they don't require you to have any kind of medical degree. They're only looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED. Medical records or coding experience is preferred, but not required. You do need to know how to use Microsoft Office suite tools like Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams, all of those kind of things. You have to have great communication skills, the ability to work in a fast-paced environment, and the ability to remain professional. Now, of course, actual pay was not listed in the job description and will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I always try to do a little bit of research and find an estimate to gauge the position on so you know if it's even worth your time applying. And a quality assurance person with Ciox Health looks like they make anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $47,000 a year per Glassdoor. Now, $47,000 a year broken down by 52 weeks is $903 a week. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.